विठलानन्दाय। ॐ नमो भगवते 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 विठलानन्दाय।
Welcome to Himalaya Siddha Kriya Yoga. In our Parampara Guru lineage, our Parampara is Dattatreya tradition. My Guru Maharaj is Sri Vittalananda Saraswati Maharaj. In this path, in spirituality, any path in spirituality, we must have a Guru. Guide. Guru means guide, who removes ignorance. Yes. We must have a Guru, living Guru. We may follow many gods, goddesses, and some Gurus' photos and murtis, idols, we keep and do puja and everything. But without living Guru, living guide, you cannot reach to that formless power, God. Regarding Guru, about Guru, many people have many notions, different opinions. But in my view, as per my experience, Guru means ultimate. Guru means ultimate, that's all. Nobody will be there higher than our Sadguru. Yes, my Sadguru, individual's Sadguru. So, let us know what is Guru, Guru's status. Let us know about Guru. Guru is not social requirement. We will have many requirements, no, to live life in society. He is not like that. He is not at all like that. It is not a symbol to present our status like car, bangla, position. It is not simply we went to Guru and taken initiation, it is over, completed, we got stamping. No, it is not like that. It is like having a car or bangla or something. It is not an article like or property like. Guru is something more than those things. He is not a dustbin to throw which we do not like. Yes, he is not a like dustbin which we are not using, which we cannot bear. Sometimes dustbins, if we don't use, we throw it. But Guru is not like that. Should not, once you select, once you accept it, you should not leave and throw like a dustbin like.
Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha Om. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha Om.
Guru is protection, is the ultimate protector. Guru means physical form of God. That's why he can protect us in many angles. Guru is Atmadarshan. He will show us to realize our Atma. Yes. Guru means Atmadarshan. Once you got your own Guru means you can see yourself in him. Guru is Adhyatmik Sikshan. Guru is Adhyatmik Sikshan, spiritual training. When you stay with him, when you live with him, when you follow him, you will get spiritual training. Yes. Guru is Shuddha Chaitanya, is pure Chaitanya Sthiti, is consciousness. Guru Vishwa Sammelan, he is combination of many things, universal combination. Guru is divine friend, divine lover and divine protector. His status is divine, godly. His status is godliness. So he moves with us like a friend, divine lover and divine protector. He removes ignorance in us and he guides us towards Atma Tattva. Yes, he removes Ajnana. And he will show the path, way to reach Atma Tattva, know the Atma Tattva, our self philosophy, self knowledge. He always feels to keep us on the top of spiritual palace. Always he keeps on higher level in spirituality. Every guru, real guru, Sadgurus, they feel to keep their disciples on the top. He is Atma Bandhu, he is soulmate. Relationship with Guru is beyond ultimate and wonderful. Yes. Relationship with him is ultimate and wonderful. Every moment you will experience something new. It cannot be compared with any other relationship in the world. Yes. Guru and disciple relationship is uncomparable. Not like worldly or families, social relationships. It is entirely different. It is eternal bondage like. Even death cannot dominate that bondage. Yes, even death cannot enter in between them. Yes, once Guru and Sishya, disciple, met together and start living, that relationship will continue up to many lives together. Yes. Dehatit, Manotit, Ling Bedarahit. Yes. It is beyond body, beyond mind and beyond gender. Yes. Atmanuraga Sangam is that bondage. Yes, it is almost completely connecting through souls. Atmanuraga Sangamam. Yes, meeting two souls. Guru is a must for everybody. Yes, Guru is highly required. Without Guru, you cannot cross Maya, you cannot understand Maya, you cannot cross Maya. This life is very biggest Maya. Karmic life, worldly life is biggest Maya. So, everybody must have one living Guru. Every human being needs living Guru. His divine hand is not for one life. Yes, He will hold our hand not for one life or one year or one life. Lives together, it will hold our hand and take us with Him. He will hold our hand and takes lives together till we merge each other. Yes, in each other. Let us all walk in that Guru Padam. Yes, let us all walk in that Guru path to realize this life, purpose of life and internal life, soul and godliness. Let us walk in that path, Guru path, forever with complete surrenderance. That's all. Okay, thank you. I love you. Thank you.
For further information and blessings, like, comment, share,